Very good. Figured I'd do a little update on the Sears hydrolator. Did some cleaning up on it with some steel wool. I cleaned up the whole entire tractor except for the gas tanker. I didn't touch that. But everything else, I tried to get the best of. But fenders came out really good, actually. I mean, there's some spots on it where I couldn't get it. But if you guys remember right, I first got it, both these fenders were just covered with rust. So, did both sides best I could. So, and then I hit it everything except for the front axle with a can of gloss. So I did like 3 coats of gloss onto it because I'm not going to paint this tractor. I'm going to leave it preserved in the same condition that it is. So I gotta spray some lube on it on this throttle because it's a pain right in the butt. But like I said, I haven't started it since yesterday afternoon. Yep. Yeah, it was yesterday afternoon. Low on fuel, so. But yeah, I gotta lube up that throttle. It's not quite well, you move down, it moves easy, but kind of go up, it just doesn't like to go up. I don't know why. So I'm gonna put some lube on it and lube her up good and whatnot. Got my garden all going. I just gotta get some seeds to plant. Got that all going. I keep forgetting right dab in the middle there. It's I still got roots there. Roots and half of, well, kind of a small chunk of the tree that I cut down there. Moved the attachments today. All the wheel horse stuff stacked up in one spot. I'm gonna turn that that plow around. So I got room to move that big mammoth up there in between there. Haven't got around to wood where I can restack it better. I gotta get rid of these tires. I gotta remake a table top for that. Gonna move this little backing board here that I made back to the edge of this back here. And then I'm gonna take a board off the side of the shed there and attach it to it so it's stable in one spot. And if I need to, I can walk in the backside there. And then I get a little bit more room to park a tractor with attachment there. I got room over here to park the trailer. Well, both trailers. I got the other trailer out with garbage in it right now. Tomorrow's, I believe, garbage day, I believe. No, I can't remember. But I still got the, there we go, parked too close to the trailer. Got the whole, or the whole guard plow still on here. So, yeah, cleaned up this side. I gotta get rid of that hydraulic fluid or fuel or whatever it is. I can't remember what the heck it is. I gotta get rid of that. And I gotta move these somewhere. I haven't quite figured out where I want to put them yet. So they're still sitting there. My air filter and air filter assembly came in today off of John Deere. I threw some paint on it because it was green, and green don't need to be on here, color wise anyways. So looks like I gotta tighten them up, looks like. But anyways, so yeah, it took me a little while to get the carburetor adjusted to where she'd run halfway decent. She runs pretty decent now. You can tell by that tab right there that it used to be a John Deere because it's John Deere color. But I think I'm going to go ahead and replace this belt too. I mean, it's not bad, but it's starting to crack. You can really tell on there. I'm trying to get that to focus there, but yeah, kind of. She really don't want to focus today. But yeah. Moved the Super 12 out of here to over here, covered her up. So if I need to get at something in here, I don't have to move her out and then move her back in. So well, it's supposed to be nice again. So try to finish my yard up, get it all leveled out and up over there. And out back here, still kind of rough. So, especially right here where all the ruts and stuff that I made, and right there. Had the tandem trailers hooked up, and I didn't get a good enough run up the hill and got stuck there, so head back all the way down and gave her another run, third gear and a little over half throttle, and you can see my peel out mark all the way up here. Both tires just digging. So, got them up here, just chilling with the peel up here. So I'm gonna move that pelt and put it down there, right where that piece of wood there is. I might leave it up here, I don't know. I haven't quite decided yet. Cat litter. Tell where I can dump my cat litter at. But anyway, the creek is running. There's some water in it for change. Normally I don't have water in it. These are just dried up. I got water in it now. But yeah, I got her all dug up and whatnot. The only hard part is when you're going to till this part right here where this pole is with the safety line. But I just dig it to where the hood's almost touching this and back up, turn around, put the plow here and go up the rest of the way. But yeah, did a little whoopsie in my yard. My mom made me some lunch, and I headed out here with the orange tractor with the house on it. I put the 3-point hitch down, so the plow was on the ground, like right there with a chunk. There it is. And she talked to me, and then she went in, and I wasn't really, got distracted. Got about pulling the 3-point hitch back up, and oh, Lily's right there. Where was it? Maybe it was right here. Yeah, it was right here. Pulled up the whole grass from here, right there to right here. So, but I just swapped it back over and put the dirt where it needed to be, and called it good. And you can see what a bit of dirt there, but looks like I managed to fix some skirting. Must have did that when I was plowing. Oops. But yeah, still got some ruts left in the yard, so I'll pull the 14 out tomorrow and dig up the yard again. I gotta pull her over here and try not to get it too bad, and dig a hole this way to bury this deeper. So, because eventually next winter I don't want to get too far down in the snow and snag it and break it, because that's my cable wire. So, found an easier way just to keep my door open now and just throw this big logging chain in front of it and move it when I'm done. But there you go, guys. Not a whole lot going on. Just a bit of chores and stuff around the place. So, alrighty, guys.